The ongoing security and administrative measures in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have seen a notable increase, alongside a series of search operations which have been intensified across the Kashmir and Chenab valleys at Katwa district ahead of India's Republic Day on January 26. Investigative agencies, including Counterintelligence Kashmir (CIK), have expanded their monitoring of digital activities. They specifically target individuals advocating for a UN-mandated plebiscite and the rights to self-determination. This shift in strategy is increasingly visible when it comes to digital spaces. Social media users, they are under heightened surveillance with legal notices and proclamations issued against various individuals, including Mubin Ahmad Shah, Azizul Hassan Ashrai and Rifat Wani in Srinagar and Kupwara. These coordinated efforts across platforms like Facebook, X, and WhatsApp reflect a systematic approach by the current administration to manage political expression and regulate online discourse among the Kashmiri populations. Observers suggest that these measures they impact fundamental civil and political rights, leading to an atmosphere of uncertainty and a reduction in when it comes to freedom recognized by international law. The party's Hurriyat Conference (APSC) has expressed concerns over these actions, pointing to the suspicion of Kashmiri employees and broader administrative pressures under exerting legal frameworks. Advocate Abdul Rashid Manhas noted that despite these restrictive strategies, the Kashmiri people still remain committed to seeking a legal path towards a plebiscite. The APSC's appeal to United Nations and the Organizations of Islamic Cooperation emphasizes the need for international attention. Without the active implementation of UN resolutions, continued security presence, administrative oversight, and digital monitoring may continue to challenge the political rights of Kashmiris and the stability of the region. The ongoing situation further highlights a persistent commitment to the principle of self-determination despite various attempts to limit such expressions.